Hello, my name is Jackie Macalister and I'm Health and Sustainability Manager at IKEA Food.
Hi everyone, I'm Priya Motupalli. I'm an animal welfare scientist by training, and now I work in sustainable sourcing here at IKEA Food.
And we've come to work for IKEA because we believe in a new vision for the food industry, one which positively impacts the lives of people, the planet, and also the lives of animals. Our goal is to source fewer animals, but to make sure those that we do source are raised responsibly. We believe that animals should live decent lives, and that's why we've been developing the Better Programs over the past 2 years, working with scientists, with experts, with NGOs, and with our suppliers. The Better Programs apply to all species in our supply chain around the world, so whether that's pigs, or salmon, or beef or dairy cattle, or chickens.
So the Better Programs are holistic, and they really frame our vision for sustainable agriculture. So our animal welfare criteria sits in the center, but we're also interested in public health and our environmental footprint at the farm level. So taking chicken, for example, some of the animal welfare criteria that's really important to us would be things like space, so more space per individual chicken. Things like providing meaningful enrichment, so platforms, perches, pecking objects, just really things that allow chickens, to express those important natural behaviors. Of course, we're also really interested in animal health, so having a flock health plan with a veterinarian as well as daily health checks, and things like lighting, so having a normal day-length pattern over a 24-hour period. So look, these things are really complex, but as a huge brand, we have this great opportunity to affect change.
And we really believe that the Better Programs can positively impact the lives of many animals around the world. And we're just so excited to hear that this matters to you too. So we're looking forward to sharing more with you on this journey in 2018.